Get ready to sculpt strong and defined triceps with this powerful exercise, tricep dips. Say goodbye to flabby arms and hello to toned muscles. Tricep dips are a highly effective bodyweight exercise that target the back of your arms, specifically the triceps. They're perfect for strengthening and toning this often overlooked muscle group. To perform tricep dips, start by sitting on the edge of a sturdy bench or chair. Place your hands on the edge of the bench, fingers pointing towards your body. Extend your legs out in front of you and slide your hips forward off the bench. Tricep dips not only help you achieve toned arms, but also improve your overall upper body strength and stability. Incorporate tricep dips into your fitness routine a few times a week to see visible results. Consistency is key. And don't forget to listen to your body and modify the exercise if needed. Thank you.